Hello everyone, I'm Sanjukta Arun, a contemporary artist from Mumbai. I am a self taught artist who gave up a corporate career to follow her dreams, her inner calling for art. I am bringing to you a collection of my paintings which depict the beauty of nature, and the exhibition is titled In the Lap of Nature. This is my second solo virtual exhibition, and this particular exhibition is dedicated to my father, late Colonel Krishna Das, who was very instrumental in me being in this profession. It goes on air on 21st of August, which is his birth anniversary. Please do visit the show. I look forward to it. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Pushpa Sahu. I'm Sanjukta's friend. Sanjukta is a very loving person. She's a great artist, no doubt, but she's a wonderful human being. The more I interact with her, the more I love her. And she's an amazing artist, and I'm lucky that I know her.
Nadeep, and when Sanjukta told me to speak something about her creative work, her paintings, and all other the social activities she does, I was slightly skeptical because the span of work, the volume work is so voluminous. Putting it articulately in a span of few seconds, a few minutes, it is indeed difficult. So an idea struck me. I thought, why not to write a few lines meditatively, which I'll rather recite rather than speaking spontaneously, where there is a possibility I'll skip many things to tell about her. So here are a few lines I have written about her, and definitely as an admirer of artworks, her paintings, and other social activities, you can certainly relate to it. Here it goes. When your paintbrush runs effortlessly, we know that you are blessed profusely. Each of your paintings narrates a story on its own, adding a new gem to your glorious crown. It was a stroke of luck that we got to know each other, and with time, our friendship has become stronger. I have witnessed your paintings coming to life with riots of color of every season. They are rife. May you grow creatively with every passing day. May your glory and success spread day by day. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Sanjukta, wish you lots of best wishes on all your creative work. May you grow and spread happiness and joy all around us. Thank you very much.
Hi Sanjukta, it's been so wonderful knowing you over the last 2.5 years, ever since we both joined Rotary Club of Mumbai Kalakar. So, we all know that you're a very talented artist. Should I say, a very popular artist? But what really I find so special in you is that, most of us artists tend to become a little selfish. We want our applause, we want our appreciation, and we want our following. But I have also found the other side of art in you, where I find you a very giving person. I have seen you contribute to so many causes, like to the cause of cancer foundations and giving away your art in auctions, and your desire to continuously try and do something for the people less privileged than us. And I think, and that is precisely the reason that brings both of us to the Rotary also, is that the most beautiful and fulfilling part of an artist can be the idea of, spreading the joy and changing lives one at a time through the art of giving. And I think this is where I really found you to be very special. You've been a great friend. You've always been wonderful to talk to, very positive, bubbling with ideas. And as we know that you're not only a good painter, you're a good singer, and you're a good home chef. Of course, there's only that much one can do in life. But I do hope that you carry forward in your journey with all your talent, all your abilities, and do a lot of good to the world. And you will always find me by your side whenever you have something where I am worthy of contributing to. Thank you and best wishes.